Hello everyone, I come today with a delicious and easy chocolate biscuit cake without baking that only takes 1 hour to make. So stay with me through the whole video. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: simple biscuit, 200 grams, vanilla, a quarter of a teaspoon, egg, 2 numbers, butter, 100 grams, cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons, chocolate, 100 grams, sugar powder, 3 food tablespoons. Well, first of all, I crush the biscuits with my hands. Remember not to crush the biscuits too much. The goal is to have large pieces of biscuits. I turn on the gas and put the kettle on it until the water boils. Now I put a bowl on the kettle. Pour the butter and chocolate into this bowl to melt them with water vapor. Be careful that the boiling water does not hit the bottom of the bowl. When the chocolate and butter are mixed, add the cocoa powder and stir. Add the eggs and stir constantly. Add the sugar powder. After about 3 or 4 minutes, remove the bowl from the heat and add the vanilla to the mixture. Now it's time to add the crushed biscuits to the mixture. the mixture into nylon and take all the ingredients to the bottom of it by using a spatula. Put the chocolate in the freezer for 30 minutes. Our biscuit chocolate cake is ready. Now I cut the chocolate with a large knife and cut the extra nylon. If you want to keep it for a long time, be sure to keep it in a sealed container in the refrigerator. It has a soft texture and a very good taste, and also the biscuit pieces make it more delicious. It's really delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.